Stop scrolling right now, because if you're playing 99 in the forest, you're about to discover something amazing. There's a brand new way to claim free diamonds in the game, and it actually works. No hacks, no fake links, just real redeem codes that give instant rewards. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love getting free items, rewards, and updates for your favorite games, then make sure you watch this video until the end. Because today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use redeem codes to unlock free diamonds inside 99 in the forest. Alright, here's what you need to do. First, open 99 in the forest on your phone or tablet and go to the currency shop. Once you're there, look for the box where you can enter redeem codes. That's where the magic happens. Every code you type there can unlock hidden rewards waiting in your account. Now let's test out one of the latest active codes together. Type this code, After Party. Watch closely, and just like that, free diamonds instantly appear in your account. That's how simple and fast it is when you use a working code in 99 in the forest. But here's what most players don't know. Not every code you find online actually works. Many are expired or fake. For example, Forest 99 and Diamond Tree won't work anymore. So always make sure you get your codes from verified and trusted sources, like this channel. And here's something special for those watching till now. If the code doesn't work for you, don't worry. Just comment your in-game username below this video. I'll personally select a few lucky players and send them exclusive in-game rewards, completely free. But remember, the giveaway only begins once this video hits 1,000 likes. So if you want to join, hit that like button right now, share this video with your friends, and drop your username in the comments below. The faster we reach 1,000 likes, the faster I'll start sending out the gifts. That's it for today's video. Go ahead, try out the working codes, grab your free diamonds, and enjoy your adventure in 99 in the forest. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the latest code updates and exclusive giveaways. See you in the next one, and best of luck, explorers!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. chaser leading us, and